Hi, I like to demo with a very short, simple Python script to copy Excel chart to a PowerPoint file. Uh, well, here's my file, and the highlighted portion is my Python script. You can see I have everything basically written out like a simple, like plain English, and I have my some position and some other parameters in the bottom, and those will be very useful for us later on. And let's take a look at my Excel. So I have some very simple data series and a super generic chart. Then I would like to copy that chart with Python to this PowerPoint file, to this a specific location on the layout in this box on the right and occupy the entire area with the position and height and width of this box. We can take a quick look of the size and position. So this is what I meant in the position and the height and width. So I would like to copy that chart into this box. Okay, so let's let's launch Python. And I copy my uh, Python script to, sorry, okay, okay, let's copy there. Okay, it's done. Let's take a quick look. So I go to my PowerPoint and voila, it's done. It's automatically copied by itself.